This is revision class 4, unit 4, multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is the shorter form of repeated addition. Find the product. 119 into 1. When we multiplied any number by 1, we get same number. Okay? 119. 119 ones are 119. 23 into 0. When we multiplied any number by 0, we get 0. Whatever number it may be, product is 0. 1 into 314. Multiplicative rule 1. Multiplicative property rule 1 we know. So when we multiply any number by 1, we get same product now. So 314 ones are 314. 536 into 0. 536 into 0. So we get the product is 0. Next, fifth one. 1 into 525 is equal to 525. 0 into 417 is equal to 0. Okay, when we multiplied by 1, we get same product. When we multiplied by 0, we get product also 0. Don't confuse these two, Nana. Next, write the missing numbers in the blank spaces. Write the missing numbers in the blank spaces. 97 into 25. Here, blank given now. So, in the middle of these two is equal to is there no? So, both sides are same. 97 into 97. So, here we have to write 25. When we write 25, both statements are equal. Next, dash into 276 is equal to 276 into 19. Here, LHS side, this is LHS side, this is RHS, right? RHS side, right hand side, left hand side. In this side, 276 is there. So, we have to write here blank 19, we have to write. So, when we write 19, both statements are equal. Third one. 13 into 14 into 6. 13 into 14. Here, 13 into 14 write in one bracket and remaining 6 write given blank. Now both statements are equal now. 61 into 87 is equal to 87 into 67. 61, sorry. Here 61, 61. So we have to write here 87. Okay, both statements are balanced. Fourth one, 363 into 36. Here 36, what we write here given blank. 36 already there, so remaining number 363 we have to write here. So 363 into 36 is equal to 36 into 363. Both statements are equal now. This like we have to balance the multiplication statements, Nana. Find the product. Here one multiplication given. Find the product. Into there no, so we have to do here multiplication. 949 into 7. Do you know 7 table? 7 nines are 63. So 7 nines are 63, 3 right here. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 6, 34. 7 fours are 28, 28 plus 6, 34. 4 right here. Next 7 nines are 63, 63 plus 3, 66. 949 into 7 is equal to 6643. Product is 6643. 352 into 5. Fourth one is 352 into 5. Here 5 table. 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. 0 write down. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1, 26. 6 write down because 6 is in ones place, no? 6 write down. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So 17 directly write here because hundreds 3 digits only given, no? So 17 write here directly. 352 into 5 is equal to 1760. Product is 235 into 26. Here multiply 2 digit, no? Here ones place 6 is there, no? Multiply by 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. 3 0 right here because 0 is in ones place. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Now multiply by 2 because 2 is in tens place, no? 2 5s are 10. Leave this place. After you have to write here. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Right here. Okay. Now add it. These two products, now add it. 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 4 plus 7, 11. So 1 write up, 1 write down. Okay. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6110. 235 into 26 is equal to 6110. 251 into 34. 34. Here 34 multiplier. 4 ones are 4. 3 ones are 3. 4 ones are 4. 4 5s are 20. Right here 0. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Leave this place. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 right here. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. After completion of this multiplication, add these two products. When you multiply tens digit number, leave this ones place, Nana. Don't forget this. Now add it. Okay. After this multiplication, add these two products. 4. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 5, 5. 1 plus 7, 8. Complete. 9 into 0 plus 1. When we multiplied any number by 0, we get 0. 9 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So here 1 we have to write. Next, here into, here plus. So here multiply and after multiplication add. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So 21. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 4, 31. 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 5, 41. Next, 9 fives are 45. 45 plus 6, 51. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 7, 61. What do you observe here, children? 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61. These are all in one pattern, no? 1, 11, 21, 31, like that, no? Every result is increased by 10. 1 plus 10, 11. 11 plus 10, 21. 21 plus 10, 31. 31 plus 10, 41. Every result is increased by 10. here 4 9s are 36. 4 99s are 396. 4 999s are 3996. What do you observe here? 369, 369 in the middle line 99. 6 plus 3 9 in middle 2 nines. That like this pattern all completed, no? First observe carefully what will come in first 1 2 3. After that you have to fill up these all. 4 9,999s are 39,996. Okay? 4 into 99,999 is equal to 3,99,996. 4 9,99,999 is equal to 39,99,996. In the middle nines, do you observe? 999, 999, 9,099, 99,999. Now we will discuss problem solving. If one packet contains 24 candles, how many candles will be there in 246 such packets? 246 such packets. One packet having 24 candles. How many candles are there in 246 packets? Okay, given data, one packet is 24 candles. Write the steps. 246. How many candles? Find out now. Okay, now multiply 246 into 24. When you multiply, Nana, write this like draw lines first, because it is very easy to when you add these two products, very easy to add ones number, tens number, like that. So must you have to draw lines. 246 into 24. Here ones place digit 4 there, no? 4 6 are 24. 2 right here, 4 right here. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2 18. 8 right here. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. Then tens digits. So here we have to leave ones digit place. 2 6 are 12, 2 right here. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. 2 2s are 4, directly write 4. Now add these two products. Okay, after multiplication, add these two products. 4, 8 plus 2, 10. 1 write up, 0 write down. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 4 plus 1, 5. 246 into 24 is equal to 5,904. 246 packets having 5,904 candles. Therefore, 246 packets having 5,904 candles. If a coach carries 95 persons, how many persons in all will be carried by such 158 such coaches? One coach carry 95 persons. In one coach, 95 persons is there. 158 coaches, how many persons carried? Now multiply 158 into 95. 5 8s are 40. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4, 29. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Then this is tens digit, no? No, leave this ones place. Here onwards we have to write 9 8s are 72. 2 right here, 7 right. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 7, 52. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Now add these two products. 0, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 right here, 1 right up. 7 plus 3, 10, 1 right here, 0 right here. 4 plus 1, 5, 1. 15,1010. 15,010 persons carried 158 coaches. Third one, a book contains 162 pages. How many pages are there in 45 books? In one book, 162 pages are there. So, how many pages are there in 45 books? Now write in steps. One book contains 162 pages. 45 books contains how many pages? Now multiply 162 into 45. 5 2s are 10. 0 right here. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Leave this ones digit. 4 2s are 8. 4 6 are 24. 4 right here. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Now add these two products. 0. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 4, 12. So 1 right up, 2 right down. 6 plus 1, 7. 45 books contains 7,290 pages. Along this video, I will send one practice sheet, Nana. Prepare well. All the best for your maths exam.